at Gartner, we have been integrating AI like for a long time, right? So with GenAI, the spectrum has broadened. So the solutions like that we are offering, which are AI-based for client-facing tools and as well as our internal teams, right? So for the client-facing tools, if you know, Gartner is about providing objective and actionable insights to our clients, and earlier what we were doing is we were giving them the research to read, right? So if they were looking for some insights, we will give them the research with a summary or a description. Now what we have changed it to is a very summarized answer to the question directly. So it has actually transformed the client experience and giving them more value, right? Rather than reading 10 researches, you will be having a summarized answer, which is again objective and actionable, rather than just a Google search. Then secondly, for our internal teams as well, we have been transforming the way they have been working for both efficiency gains and productivity gains. For example, and not just that, but also transforming the deliveries for us, for our clients, right? For example, service delivery assistants. So earlier, our service delivery teams have been interacting with the clients on their issues and their mission critical priorities. But now these assistants can help knowing exact context and delivering value in much better way, right? And of course, the turnaround, as Prashant was mentioning, it has reduced with AI. So having service delivery assistants being more agentic rather than just manual, and it is transforming our service delivery a lot, and then productivity gains.
Yeah.